Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Was this the bottom? I made 4 or 5 Bitcoin buy today as well. So now I've got 10 Bitcoin on one account, 4 Bitcoin on the other, but I'm going to be buying $1 million worth of Bitcoin laddering down. I'm going to show you that in the charts as well. We're going to look at Ethereum, where I would open trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and a very big danger. Make sure you watch through to the end to see what that is about one of the stable coins that is very badly depegging. Hit the subscribe button, join 75,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Don't forget, if you comment down on the video, in every video that I make, 5 winners are chosen every month, $200 each given away, $1,000 given away back to the community. I'm here in beautiful Dubai from my balcony, and look, it's like from Stargate Atlantis. I always point this out. It's so beautiful. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin, and right now Bitcoin on the 4 hourly. So if you're going to be buying Bitcoin, be careful. Make sure you ladder down. These are the orders that I've got for Bitcoin: 17,000, 14,000, 11,000. What you're seeing here is technical analysis. You're seeing me trading on tradingview.com. This is the price of Bitcoin for the last few weeks as it's been dropping. You can learn this all in the crypto course. The link is in the description. We had that big bounce exactly off 17,524. That line I had set a few weeks ago, actually came to 17,600. So it was around $70 off. It kind of does look like it could actually be the bottom. On the 4 hourly, stochastic and RSI are trying to turn up, but they're turning down a little bit now. Squeeze mob is still going towards the green side, so that's bullish. On the daily, stochastic and RSI very oversold, turning up. Squeeze mob is trying to go to the gray side. Trying to turn to the green side, but not yet finished dropping. It looks like it could be finished, but be careful here. Let's go into the 4 hourly. On the 4 hourly, we're getting rejected off the EMA ribbons again. We need to break through these EMA ribbons to remain bullish. VPVR, we have a lot of resistance up there at the $21,000 area. That's the main area of resistance. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy down here, which is quite interesting. It fired a buy. Crypto Guru bot still hasn't fired a buy. It's selling. It showed a sell, and you get the Crypto Guru bot in the master course. The link is in the description. We fired a sell back here at 30,000, and it fell down to 19,000. So the bot called it really well, actually. So that's what's happening on Bitcoin on the 4 hourly. Again, stochastic RSI heading up. On the hourly, stochastic RSI very overbought actually, and they're turning to head down. Squeeze mob is also going towards the red side now. On the 15 minutes, stochastic and RSI also heading down. So we're having a bit of a pullback here. There was around 101,000 reportedly of Bitcoin sold. This is a trade I opened I talked about opening in my last live. I didn't actually open this trade yet, but this is a Bitcoin trade that we could still be taking. Why? Because we have the daily support down here. But I think Bitcoin could actually be pulling back to this daily support before continuing to move up. So I'd actually move the trade here. I'd set the stop loss just below these supports, a very tight stop loss, and the take profit at this big resistance at 21,000. This gives us a nice risk to reward ratio trade on Bitcoin. You can see the targets of this trade right now. So the trade will open at 18,979. The stop loss will be 18,361, and the take profit would be at 21,147. So I'm risking $618 to make $2,168, which is amazing. 10x leverage will be $21,000 of profits, 3.51 ratio trade. That's 110% profit. This is the trade I'm going to take right now on Bitcoin. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video in the description and pin comment, Bitcoin, ALTCOIN in the description, Bitcoin and ALTCOIN trading, $9,300 sign up bonus. Using that link, make sure you use this link down below. Sign up with this link to claim an additional $4,800 deposit bonus. Without this link, you only get $400. I've also got a trading Bitcoin and ALTCOIN live tutorial that teaches you how to trade on ByBit, crypto master course where you can learn all this TA. And yeah, the links are all down below. Also follow me on Twitter, Instagram. We have a free Telegram where I give out chats as well, and people can all talk together. So over on ByBit, once you click this ByBit link, you get that bonus, 4,800, and that gives you this trading software. In here, if you follow my videos earlier today, I have $172,700 in here. I've got Bitcoin, 4 Bitcoin, which I bought today. 2 of them I bought today. I've got 46,000 USDT. I've got $10,000 worth of BIT, which I think is bottomed, and I've got $9,800 worth of Dogecoin. Dogecoin looks bullish to me, and I've got 3,400 USDC. I'm going to open a trade on Bitcoin right now. I'll do 10. Actually, let's do a high leverage and a quick take profit. So this is the trade I'm going to open on Bitcoin, 20x leverage. I'm opening the trade at 18,979. So open at 18,979. That's where I'll open the trade. I'm going to do a $500 trade. So with 20x leverage, it will be $10,000 worth of a trade. I'm going to take profit at 21,000. Where is the big resistance? Let's see where the big resistance. Here, if it breaks out here, we're going to have a big resistance around here, 20,400. So 20,400 will be the take profit, 20,400, and the stop loss will be here on this support. So very tight stop loss, because you got to be careful here opening big leverage or big stop loss. You got to make sure you have tight stop losses or very low leverage, because the market wicking around too much. 18,357, 18,357. So I'm risking $344 to make $786, which is not so amazing. So I'm going to lower this risk. I'm going to make it $200 cost, so it'll be a $4,000 trade. Open long, the trade will open at 18,979. Confirm that trade is now set for Bitcoin over on ByBit. Again, if you want to trade, using this link down below in the description to trade ByBit. Now let's look at Ethereum. And I have been buying a lot of Bitcoin today. And again, I'm going to be buying if this wasn't the bottom, but it does have signs that we could actually be the bottom. We had a big W formation here, which broke bullish. If you followed my today, we had a live. Make sure you subscribe so you see my lives. Let's look at Ethereum now. Ethereum 1,044. It didn't drop. It dropped to 800. Also kind of looking bullish. We made a 22% pump on Ethereum. Look at that, 22% pump from the bottom, which is quite big. We bounced close to that 835 support. Now, I wonder if it's the stochastic RSI on the hourly is quite overbought. So it looks like it will have a bit of a pullback. The target for Ethereum pulling back will be $1,000. On the 4-hourly, stochastic RSI also slightly oversold, turning to head down. On the daily, they're very oversold. On the weekly, they're very oversold as well. So it looks like we're going to have a short-term pullback on Ethereum. I would be opening, let's look on the 15 minutes, also on the 15 minutes, yeah, short-term pullback. So you could go short from here down to here. That's a small short to take. And then I would go long from here back up. So I would open a long on Ethereum here with the daily support, stop loss just below these support lines. So I would do a very tight stop loss. If it breaks that support, it will close the trade and the take profit back at this resistance. So I'm risking, it's a 9% trade with 10x leverage, 90% profits. So I'm risking $28 to make $90 unleveraged. With 10x leverage, it would be $900 profit, 3.2 ratio trade on Ethereum. That's a trade you could be taking on Ethereum. I'm not going to set this because right now my goal is to buy as much Bitcoin and try and stack near the bottom. But the trade would open at 994, stop loss at 966, take profit at 1,084. But this isn't a bad trade to be taking because we also have a cup and handle here, everyone. Look at this. We've got kind of, we have a cup and handle formation on Ethereum. And if that breaks to the upside on Ethereum, that's a very bullish pattern. A cup and handle formation would take us from the base of the cup, would take us to a level of around 1,200 for Ethereum. And for that to happen, we need a big pump up on Bitcoin. Now let's look at the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. If you followed my live a few days ago, Ron was talking about this. He said that the bottom would be the previous all-time high market cap. And we actually touched that market cap high. So the market cap of 2018 came to 757 billion. Look at that. That was in 2018, and we literally came and almost touched it. And Ron talked about that could be quickly the bottom. Stochastic RSI is very oversold here. Daily also very oversold. Let's turn on squeeze mob. Very oversold stochastic RSI. Squeeze mob also on the 4-hourly oversold, turning up. RSI is oversold, turning up. Stochastic is oversold, turning up. We're above the daily resistance. Whoops. So this is the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. So we could get a recovery here. Also, this is the warning. USDD destabilized massively today. This is Tron stablecoin. And you can see here on the 15-minute candles, we had a big drop. This is meant to be a stablecoin that's pegged to the dollar. Tron stablecoin, which I warned about when Justin Tron talked about this coin. I said what they were doing, trying to buy Bitcoin to create a treasury to prop it up, was not a good idea. And that's been destabilizing. It had a massive drop. This is meant to be $1 to $1. There's $700 million in here. And it dropped. Look at that. Look at it wicking around right now. It's trying to restabilize. They must be buying a lot of it to try and prop it back up. But it dropped all the way to 84 cents. This is meant to be a stable coin. And right now it had a big spike up to back to $1. So they're pumping money into this to try and keep it up. So be very careful here. Again, all those tradings under this link, Bitcoin, ALTCOIN trading. You can sign up to ByBit to trade. Crypto Master Course, you can learn everything that I'm showing you here. Those are my trades. Those are my thoughts on the market. And again, be very careful putting all your money into Bitcoin at any one go here. What I would be doing, I bought a lot of Bitcoin here. I'm going to be buying down. If it pulls back, I'll be buying more. But we could actually be on the bottom, but if not, 17,000, 14,000, and I think worst case scenario is that $10,000 level. Thank you all for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru. Don't forget, comment on every video, 5 winners chosen every month, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.